Welcome to the heart of pistachio production, where the journey of these delicious nuts begins. The pistachio tree, a resilient plant that thrives in arid climates, has been cultivated for centuries and prized for its nutritious fruits and unique flavor. As we explore this expansive orchard, we can appreciate the beauty and complexity of the pistachio tree. Its sturdy trunk and deep roots enable it to withstand harsh weather conditions and thrive in nutrient-poor soils. The delicate, feathery leaves provide shade for the developing nuts, protecting them from the intense sunlight. The pistachios themselves are a marvel of nature. Encased in a hard green shell, they contain a single kernel, packed with essential nutrients and healthy fats. Pistachios are a rich source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a popular choice for health-conscious consumers. Harvesting pistachios is a labor-intensive process that requires skill and precision. Farmers carefully inspect the trees for signs of ripeness, ensuring that the nuts are fully developed and ready to be picked. The harvesting process is often done by hand, with workers carefully removing the clusters of pistachios from the trees. The harvested pistachios are then placed in containers and transported to the processing facility, where they will undergo further transformation. But before they reach the factory, the farmers must take care to ensure that the nuts are properly dried to prevent spoilage. This is typically done by spreading the pistachios out in the sun to dry naturally, or by using specialized drying equipment. The pistachio orchard is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. It is a place where farmers have cultivated a valuable and delicious crop, providing a source of income and a symbol of their connection to the land. As we witness the harvesting process and admire the beauty of the pistachio trees, we can appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into producing these beloved nuts. The journey of a pistachio from orchard to table continues here at the processing facility. Let's take a closer look at the intricate process that transforms these green gems into the delicious snack we all love. As the pistachios arrive at the factory, they are carefully inspected and sorted to ensure that only the highest quality nuts are processed. This involves removing any damaged or discolored nuts, as well as separating them based on their size and shape. This meticulous sorting process is essential in maintaining the consistent quality and appearance of the final product. Once the pistachios have been sorted, they are ready for the shelling process. This involves removing the tough outer shell to reveal the delicious kernel within. Specialized shelling machines are used to efficiently crack open the shells without damaging the nuts. The kernels are then extracted and carefully cleaned to remove any remaining shell fragments or impurities. The next stage is roasting, which is a crucial step in enhancing the flavor and texture of the pistachios. The nuts are heated in controlled ovens to bring out their natural sweetness and give them a satisfying crunch. The roasting time and temperature are carefully monitored to ensure that the pistachios are cooked evenly and to the desired level of doneness. For those who prefer a savory flavor, the roasted pistachios are then seasoned with salt. This adds a delicious salty crunch that complements the natural sweetness of the nuts. The salt is carefully applied to ensure that it is evenly distributed throughout the pistachios, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. Once the pistachios have been roasted and salted, if applicable, they are ready for packaging. The nuts are carefully packed into various containers, such as bags, cans, and boxes, to ensure freshness and prevent damage. The packaging process is carefully monitored to ensure that the pistachios are not overfilled or underfilled, and that the containers are properly sealed to maintain their quality. The entire processing process is carried out under strict quality control measures to ensure that the pistachios meet the highest standards of safety and hygiene. Regular inspections are conducted to monitor the equipment, the workers, and the products to identify and address any potential issues. This commitment to quality is essential in protecting the health and well-being of consumers, as it guarantees that the pistachios they enjoy are safe and wholesome. The processing of pistachios is a delicate and intricate process that requires precision, skill, and a commitment to quality at every stage. From the initial sorting and grading to the final packaging, each step is carefully executed to ensure that the pistachios meet the highest standards of excellence. The meticulous attention to detail that goes into processing pistachios is evident in the final product. The nuts are not only delicious, but also visually appealing, with a uniform color and texture. The packaging is designed to protect the pistachios from damage and to preserve their freshness, ensuring that consumers can enjoy them at their peak quality. The processing of pistachios is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the workers who are involved in the process. They work tirelessly to ensure that each pistachio that reaches the consumer is of the highest quality. Their commitment to excellence is what sets the pistachio industry apart and guarantees that consumers can enjoy a delicious and nutritious snack. The next time you savor a handful of pistachios, take a moment to appreciate the journey they've taken to reach your table. From the orchards, where they are grown, to the processing facilities, where they are transformed into delicious snacks. Every pistachio is a testament to the dedication and skill of those who have been involved in its production. Quality control is the cornerstone of the pistachio industry. Every nut is subjected to rigorous inspection, ensuring that only the finest specimens make it to your table. From the moment the pistachios arrive at the processing facility, they are carefully sorted and graded, separating the best from the rest. Skilled inspectors then examine each nut individually, checking for defects such as cracks, discoloration, or foreign matter. Their keen eyes and expert knowledge are essential in maintaining the high standards that consumers have come to expect from pistachio products. In addition to visual inspection, the pistachios may also undergo sensory evaluation, a process that involves tasting and analyzing the nuts for flavor, texture, and overall quality. Sensory experts are trained to detect subtle differences in taste and aroma, ensuring that the pistachios meet the specific flavor profiles desired by consumers. This meticulous evaluation is crucial in maintaining the consistent quality and taste that consumers have come to associate with premium pistachio brands. The quality control process is not just about identifying defects, it's also about ensuring that the pistachios meet the highest standards of safety and hygiene. The inspectors carefully check for any signs of contamination or adulteration, ensuring that the pistachios are free from harmful substances. This commitment to safety is essential in protecting the health and well-being of consumers, as it guarantees that the pistachios they enjoy are safe and wholesome. The dedication and expertise of quality control inspectors are essential in safeguarding the reputation of the pistachio industry. Their tireless efforts ensure that every pistachio you consume is a testament to the commitment to excellence that drives the entire production process. From the orchards, where the trees are cultivated with care, to the processing facilities where the nuts are transformed into delicious snacks, quality control is the unwavering force that guarantees the integrity and safety of every pistachio you enjoy. Furthermore, the quality control process plays a vital role in ensuring that the pistachios meet the specific requirements of different markets and consumer preferences. For example, some regions may have stricter regulations regarding the levels of certain contaminants or allergens, while others may have specific preferences for the flavor or texture of the pistachios. The quality control team must be aware of these requirements and ensure that the pistachios are produced to meet the standards of each individual market. By combining visual inspection, sensory evaluation, and safety checks, the quality control team can identify any potential issues and take corrective measures to prevent substandard pistachios from reaching the market. This rigorous approach ensures that consumers can enjoy pistachios with confidence, knowing that they are getting a product that is both delicious and safe. From the sun-drenched orchards where they grow to the bustling factories where they're processed, pistachios undergo a remarkable journey. It's a testament to the dedication and skill of farmers, workers, and quality control experts who ensure that each nut that reaches your table is a symbol of excellence. Imagine the meticulous care that goes into cultivating pistachio trees, nurturing them from delicate saplings to robust fruit-bearing giants. Farmers tend to their orchards with the utmost attention, ensuring they receive the ideal amount of sunlight, water, and nutrients. Their expertise and experience are crucial in producing high-quality pistachios, as they understand the nuances of the pistachio tree's growth cycle and can identify the optimal conditions for its development. Once harvested, the pistachios embark on a journey through the processing facility, where they're expertly sorted, shelled, and roasted. Each step is carefully executed to preserve the nut's natural flavor and texture. Quality control inspectors scrutinize every batch, ensuring that only the finest pistachios make it to the packaging stage. This meticulous attention to detail is what sets the pistachio industry apart, as it guarantees that consumers receive a product that is both delicious and of the highest quality. From the moment the first blossom blooms on the pistachio tree to the final moments of packaging, countless hours of care and attention go into producing these delicious and nutritious snacks. It's a journey filled with passion, precision, and a commitment to quality that makes pistachios a beloved treat around the world. Every nut you enjoy is a culmination of years of dedication and expertise, a testament to the beauty and complexity of the agricultural process. It's a reminder that behind every delicious snack lies a story of hard work, skill, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Pistachios, with their unique flavor and nutritional value, have earned their place as a beloved snack and culinary ingredient. From the orchards where they grow to the processing facilities where they are transformed, pistachios have a fascinating journey that culminates in the delicious treats we enjoy. Whether you're a fan of savory or sweet flavors, pistachios offer a versatile and satisfying option. Their crunchy texture and nutty flavor complement a wide range of dishes, adding a touch of elegance and nutrition to everything from appetizers to desserts. So the next time you enjoy a handful of pistachios, take a moment to appreciate the journey they've taken and the dedication of the farmers and workers who have brought them to your table. Want to learn more about the fascinating world of pistachios and the people who produce them? Subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining farming documentaries and food-related content. We'll take you on a journey through the fields, factories, and kitchens, revealing the secrets behind the foods you love. Don't miss out on the opportunity to discover the stories behind your favorite snacks and meals.